What's up, Chandigarh? Well, you know what? Coming back to अपना पिंड Chandigarh, it always feels great. Chandigarh का ही मुंडा है क्या जी मैं? So नाम थोड़ा अजीब है, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपार शक्ति ये किसी इंसान का नाम लगता नहीं, किसी आटे या देसी घी के ब्रांड का नाम लगता है. So anyone else in the audience has a unusual name? किसी का थोड़ा हटके सा नाम हो, कुछ ऐसा? Yeah. Can I have a mic for the audience throughout the session? I want to involve. Can I give one of these mics? Is that okay? Can I give one of these mics? Yeah. So this mic will always be in the audience. Yeah. Okay. Please give a mic in the audience. Throughout the session, we'll have everyone talking to Jimmy Baji. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What's it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Shout out loud. Yeah. What's your name? चुप. तो क्या चुपते हो पूरा दिन खाते रहते हो चुप? What do your friends call you? Okay, चुकी it is. You know what? अब नाम की बात हो ही चुकी है. So somebody who has really made it big, somebody who has really made a name for himself. I'm going to call him on the stage. Before that, I want everyone to sing with me. Yeah, are you guys gonna follow? Yeah. ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਗੱਡੀ ਮੋੜਾਂਗੇ. Come on, get up for Jimmy Shergill. Baji, not new to you. You're not new to the city. Chandigarh di galiyan, Punjabi movies, you've seen it all. And I'm sure the audience, ये तो Baji पहले ही आपके fan हैं. So tell me something. नामों की बात हो रही थी तो Jimmy Shergill. It's quite a heavy name, Shergill. But why Jimmy? It's like a nickname. ऐसा क्यों?
सब तो पहले तो जी सत श्री अकाल है सारे नू. Good morning. Jimmy is actually my nickname. And it was weird. I mean, when we were shooting for Matches J to see Matches Dekhonge, my name on the screen still comes as Jasjeet Shergill. But then in the trade, because my nickname was Jimmy, everybody started calling me Jimmy. And in the trade magazines also, it started coming as Jimmy Shergill. So when Mohabbatein was releasing, is when I was talking to Aditya Chopra and I told him the problem. So he said, no, I think because the trade has been writing Jimmy Shergill, I think you should go as Jimmy Shergill because otherwise there'll be a lot of confusion. Because before that only Matches had Jasjeet Shergill. So he said the people will forget. So that's how it actually came into play.
Nice. So Baji, talking about Matches, and you started with Gulzar Saab, what a dream star it is. And people who started with you, be it Jugal Hansraj and other guys, not really in the forefront. This long journey which we're going to talk about, that how you made it big, and I'm sure a lot of people are going to learn from it, the entire youth who is there. ये जो लंबी innings खेलनी पड़ती है, what do you think उसका एक मात्र वो क्या है? How do you, define the entire journey? Is it hard work? Is it passion? Is it everything together? Is it?
No, hard work, passion, patience, all these things are always there, but you got to keep the stress on, yeah. So
you have to keep the stress on?
Yeah, you have to keep the stress on. Till, all of a sudden if you say, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, बस जहाँ वो हो गया, कहानी खत्म है. तो वो stress on रखो, मैं तो stress पे ही चल रहा हूँ. लोग बोलते हैं तुम वैसे ही लगते हो जैसे माचिस के टाइम में लगते थे. मैंने कहा वो स्ट्रेस लेना शुरू कर दो, आप भी वैसे ही लगोगे पूरी उम्र. So I think that's the thing. And I think when you're talking about Jugal and everybody, I think Jugal was always, when we were shooting for Mohabbatein also, he wanted to direct films, he wanted to make some very interesting kind of cinema, he wanted to do animation films and stuff like that. So he's following his dream. Uday is heading Yashraj Studios in Hollywood. So everyone is, doing what they want to do. And Uday always was selective in terms of his films. He just wanted to act in one or two films and the big ones and stuff like that. And he's doing just that.
Okay. You just spoke about मोहब्बतें. I'm sure all the people present here want that life. वो हल्का सा हर एक को मोहब्बतें मूवी भी पसंद है and मोहब्बतें वाली लाइफ भी पसंद है. So when was your first girlfriend? School, college, कब पहली girlfriend कब बनी?
मेरी पहली गर्लफ्रेंड की कहानी तो बहुत अजीब है. आई वॉज आई थिंक इन द 4th स्टैंडर्ड.
पाजी, this is what the youth is there for. पहली गर्लफ्रेंड कैसे बनाई जाती है?
No need to
चौथी
get,
क्लास में क्या किया?
No need to get so excited. It was a one-sided thing. And years later, obviously I was a serd. I had a juda at that time, and I used to love this girl. Years later, I got to know that there is something called infatuation. तो मुझे शायद वही हो गया था. But then for years I kept thinking about her. Like I changed my school, I went somewhere else, and these days things are very easy. Facebook and all that, whatever. तो मैं जिस ज़माने की बात कर रहा हूँ, वहाँ पे तो उस वक्त टेलीफोन्स ही बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी. So then lost in touch, but God bless her wherever she is, and I still remember her, and that's it.
And talking about the first relationship or girls, tell me something. A lot of people, especially in the north, I think sometimes, especially boys, lack that chivalry in the head. क्या लगता है आपको? Because it's a youth summit, how do you get that straight in their head? आप as a youth icon, क्या बोलेंगे उनको? What do you want to say that? How should they? Where should they start from to respect women?
We'll start from where I left. I think उसके बाद बहुत सारी infatuations हुई, and the first girl I fell in love with, I married her.
Okay. So in one line it means कि पहली गर्लफ्रेंड से शादी कर लो. ऐसा है क्या? Just serious girlfriend.
यार वो आप लोग के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. आप मेरे हिसाब से मत जाना, वरना बहुत जूतियां पड़ेंगी. So हर इंसान की अपनी लाइफ होती है, अपनी सिचुएशन होती है. आप अपनी सिचुएशन को देख के अगर आपका दिल जरा सा भी कह रहा है कि नहीं यार, this girl is not the right girl for me, or this boy is not the right boy for me, I think you should follow your heart and say no. Just don't go for that person out of desperation. Just don't go कि मेरे पास गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है तो चलो ये भी चलेगी, या मेरे पास बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है चलो ये भी चलेगा. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए.
Okay, let's come to movies now. From Hindi movies to Punjabi movies, from Marches and to Dharti, I think you have rather changed the phase of Punjabi film industry. Do you take that credit full-heartedly, or do you think that other people were also involved?
See, my journey in Punjabi film started with Manji. Manmohan Singh ji was the cinematographer, the cameraman for Marches, Mohabbatein. And then he decided that he wanted to start directing Punjabi films, and he made a couple of big Punjabi films. And then once at one of the functions he met me and he told me that I've got a story, I'll narrate it to you, but first I want to ask you, would you be willing to do a Punjabi film? Because at that point of time you wouldn't say that any of the people who were acting in Bollywood films would have gone in for any of the regional films. So I said, Manji, for you I'll do anything, and that's how Yaran Al Bahara happened. And that was my first Punjabi film, and I enjoyed shooting for it so much that I decided and I said that every year I'll do one good Punjabi film. And then I did Mannat and Tera Mera Ki Rishta, and then finally there was Munde UK, their first one, and then finally there was Mail Kara De Rabba, which kind of just...
Okay, and you are the only person who's been able to rope in big stars like Neha Dhupe and all, and bring them to Punjabi film industry. Where do you see our industry going 10 years down the line?
It's very difficult to say right now. I mean, you go through phases, and I think this is a phase wherein people feel that, you know, Punjabi movies are making a lot of money, let's produce a Punjabi film. So you have randomly a lot of people coming up and just making films, which is why at the end of the year, people are saying none of the films are working, none of these things. And they're coming with a set mind that this is the genre we want to make. That's the reason why you'll see all the films are almost the same kind of stuff is happening. So somewhere somebody has to come up with something new, which we tried once with Dharti, and we, to a great extent, were successful. in terms of the film, and it was the only Punjabi film in that year to have gone. They were celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. It was the only Punjabi film to have been selected for that. It was a great sense of pride for us. And then after that also, I want to do something different. But what do? They don't come up with something different. They don't come up with something interesting that which when I read comments on Facebook and stuff, like people saying that, Paji, we want something different. We want something like Tarti, like you came up at that point of time, something different. Because they're used to watching me in films like A Sahib Biwi Gangster or Special 26 or something, where there are very interesting and intense roles. So they want to see more like that in Punjabi. And so now that all depends now when somebody comes up with something like that. Otherwise, till then we'll have to keep living up to our promise that I'll do one Punjabi film. I have to choose the best of whatever is this thing. Manji Zinal last mein kiti aage munde UK de. So let's hope that people come up with something interesting now.
Sure, Baji. Before we talk about the Hindi cinema, last question for the from Punjabi film industry. Being one of the flag bearers of the Punjabi cinema, I just want to ask you that why a lot of singers are there who are actors? Are we running short of good actors in Punjabi theatre? Are we running short of good actors in general in Punjab? Most of them are singers who turn into actors.
No, I think all of them are doing a good job, but the main thing is that the audiences likes to watch them. So why would you want them to sit at home? I mean, the people want to watch them, and so they're doing good work. I mean, in terms of if 5 films are releasing, I'm sure 2 of them are doing really well. So that means the audiences wants to watch them, and why not?
Sure. And about Hindi film industry, there has been a paradigm shift. पहले इतनी ज़्यादा meaningful cinema इतना नहीं होता था. Now with movies like Sahib Biwi Gangster, Special 26, and you being a part of that gang, that camp, Neeraj Pandey, Tigmanshu Dhulia, do you miss those loud Govinda movies, or do you think that this has happened for good, for the betterment of the industry?
All these years, I feel that I would never have been able to do those loud films. Ab dil karta hai ki kare thodi loud. So I would love to do a film wherein somebody gives me a loud character to play. I mean, I would love to do it.
Okay. So as I think the tempo has become very serious. Let's kind of involve the audience. And is there anyone who wants to ask somebody? Just anyone who wants to ask Jimmy Shergill about anything? Okay, there are a lot of people. I'm so sorry. Okay, can we have a mic there, or should she just say it? Yeah, there's a mic there. Please give her the mic. We all know that. Don't say that I have a crush on Jimmy Shergill. वो पता है हमें.
I was about to start with that.
We all know that.
So how you proposed to your wife? I mean, when she was your girlfriend, how you proposed to her?
Yeah, I told you this is the youth world. Talk about relationships, girlfriends, boyfriends, wife and all.
No, ours was, I think, a very weird kind of a situation. She was actually trying to set me up with one of her cousins, her friends. And I think she said something while this thing and I laughed. I don't think I've ever laughed like that for my entire lifetime. And I think that's where it all started. I think she thought that this guy laughed at me. I'm going to make sure I marry him. And I think that's how it happened.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's another girl there. Then we come to the boys. I can see a boy there. Yeah.
First of all, hi Jimmy Shergill. Definitely you have been working in the Indian Bollywood industry as well as the Punjabi industry, and you have done a variety of roles including intense roles, romantics and actions and everything included. So we have heard actors saying that to be a successful actor you need to be versatile, you need to do different sort of roles, but definitely there must be something which you love doing like nothing else. Which is that genre? Which is your favorite genre?
I love to do light-hearted films. Yes, मेरे को मिलती सब intense हैं. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि मेरे को अगर कोई कॉमेडी लाके दे, कोई बोले कि कोई एक
your
लाइट
next
हार्टेड
film, your upcoming film, which you have just released, is a
I
light-hearted
had a
film.
great time
Yeah.
shooting for that film. Even the first one, when we made it, I think we had a great time. But so I say that I always love light-hearted films because you don't take anything back. Enjoy karke, you get back home and it's this thing. But intense films take away a lot from you. At least for those many days that you're shooting for. I know that when I was shooting for those 40 days for Sahib Bibi Gangster Part 2, I mean, it kind of always takes a lot out of you emotionally to do those kind of films.
Thank you.
ओके कोई क्रिएटिव टाइप इंसान है, कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? कोई शेरो शायरी, कोई पंजाब, कोई बोली, या पंजाब चंडीगढ़ में आए हैं, दैट कैन हैपन, कम ऑन। या ओके, टोरी बाजी तुसी इथे आ जाओ प्लीज। हाँ ओके, हु इज इट? कौन बोली पाएगा? या ओके, प्लीज गिव अस द माइक। या
डेरा 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 मुंडे आवे कोट वालिया, मुंडे आवे कोट वालिया, तेरे वर्गा परोना मेरा कद कद ललक पवे, कद कद ललक पवे, नाले दुख दा काल जा मेरा, आंदे करवे नू, आंदे करवे नू, वर्त रखूंगी तेरा, आंदे करवे नू।
बाजी कम बाजी कम आओ भाई। वो
डेरा 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 वे मुंडे आवे कोट वालिया, मुंडे आवे कोट वालिया, तेरे वर्गा परोना मेरा, विचो विचो ललक पवे, विचो विचो ललक पवे, नाले दुख दा काल जा मेरा, आंदे करवे
जी बारी बरसी खड़न गया सी, खट के ले आंदे नलके, बारी बरसी खड़न गया सी, खट के ले आंदे नलके। मैं जी भंगड़ा तां सजदा ज नचन सारे रल के चकदे फटे मारे। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक्स अ लॉट, थैंक यू सो मच। हाँ, सो या नाउ आई कैन सी, यस वीर जी, टेल मी व्हाट यू वांट टू से। Take the mic, please take the mic, Baji.
So please tell us about your struggle before Marches, how you got the entry into Bollywood.
Struggle तो जी आज तक चल रही है, but Marches being my first film, I think when I got the film, a lot of people told me कि तू बॉम्बे गए हैं ते उत्थे जाके तू एक छोटा जा रोल कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं? But I think within my heart of hearts, I knew that I've got somebody like a Gulzar Saab with whom I'm doing my first film. I have never seen a film being shot in my life. I had never seen a movie camera in my life. So for me to get that kind of a break, I think it was a big thing. Us to pehla for about 2-3 years, I was just in Bombay doing my acting classes. Acting classes साडियां 6 महीने तो लेके 1 साल दियां सीगियां, मैं 3 साल लाते उत्थे, क्योंकि मेरे कोल होर करन नूं कुछ नहीं सीगा। So I think it's all a matter of time and patience here, and what you believe in. I believed that I was doing the right thing, and that's all.
Why talk about marches? ਜਿਹੜੀ marches ਦੀ ਤਿਲੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਭਾਜੀ, ਬਹੁਤਾਂ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਿਲੀ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਆਦਤ ਹੈ ना। There are a lot of people who do that to Punjabi film industry as well. कोई टॉपिक पे उनको बस वो चाहिए होता है before a movie is getting released. Not only in Punjabi film industry, in Hindi film industry as well. So be it poster, be it an item number, be it a dialogue in the movie. Have you ever suffered because of, or your film has ever suffered because of such gimmicks?
No, I think I produced a few films in the middle. ਹੁਣ मैं बंद करता produce करना. So the thing was that any film that you were making, sometimes किसी dialogue नु लेके there was a problem, and some people would file cases and then they would not.
Is that why you stopped making movies?
हाँ जी, मैं बंद करता सीगा. Now, luckily for us, we've instead of going and finishing it off by apologizing or something like that, we took the legal way, and because maybe we believed in the system, and we went ahead and we fought those cases and we won, and today we've got the person who actually fought those cases for me, this young advocate from here, from Chandigarh, Kamalveer Kang. He's right here, and he's the man who's fought the cases and he won the cases for us.
क्या बात है? What's your name, sir?
Kamalveer Singh Kang.
So, Kangvir ji,
So what I want to say is that it's not right now. I've stopped making films, so it's got nothing to do with me. But these amendments that have been made now for these kind of things that were happening is going to be very good for other people who are producing films or directing films or acting in films and stuff like that, because lots has happened, and rest I guess he'll be able to tell you more.
Mr. Kang, do you want to say something on that?
Well, one thing I remember when I was contesting these cases for Jimmy Paji, there was a proposal made in the court and it's part of the record. If he apologizes, this all could be over. So I had a moment to talk to him and I said, what is your...
I was ready to apologize, by the way. I was looking for a shortcut, so I said, khatam karo yaar, kaam mein the.
Initially he was, but then again, he also thought about the entire industry. He said, if I apologize and finish it today, then there's going to be another case tomorrow. So we have to settle on the principle. So we did take, thereafter we fought the case, and I think we won all of them. And this apologizing incident is part of the judgment today. It's published in the judgment that he refused to apologize and he contested those cases.
Whoa. Okay, Baji, before we call Isha on the stage, last...
No, I'm asking you now.
Yeah.
So,
She wants to ask
Jimmy
something.
and Apar.
Yeah.
Jimmy, you've been saying that actually you get intense roles to do, and that's not what you always want to do. So, since you have the opportunity here, we're giving you a chance to do a funny role. Please give us an impromptu something, your funny side. Can we see that?
There is no funny side to me. So, Haji?
Yeah, that's kind of funny.
Yeah.
That itself is funny.
So I think
Have you never played a light-hearted character, or said,
no,
"Oh,
I've
I'd love
played
to play
light-hearted characters in my. I've just played it recently in my Punjabi film that just released. It's called Aage Munde UK De. So yeah, so
Can
that's
we see
about
a
it.
little bit of it?
Of Aage Munde UK De, it's in the theaters right now.
No,
You can
no,
watch
a
it.
preview, a preview. Can you show us something that you're doing in the film?
Any funny situation in the film?
See, I'll just say that in the whole film, basically, I'm a fraud UK guy in this one. So all I'm doing in the whole film is jidda kidda. That's it.
So guys, Punjabis in UK, they talk like that. What's up, ya? Ki hal hai ya? Vadiya ya? That's how they mix Punjabi and English.
That accent was something that was taught to me by our colleagues, Rana Ranbir and Kuki Paji, because I don't think anybody does it better than them.
हाँ, तो normally वो ऐसे बात करते हैं कि बड़ा चिकन खाया बड़ी बढ़िया है, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है कि बड़ी hot है यार. That is how they talk. कुछ एक लाइन ऐसे इसी टोन में बोल दो बाजी.
तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड बड़ी hot है जिद्दा.
Okay, last top three. This is the Parshakti's top three, and then we call somebody on the stage. This is a rapid fire thing, okay? Hindi movies or Punjabi movies? Hindi movies or Punjabi movies?
No, for me it will always be both. Otherwise, I won't be doing them.
Okay, Chandigarh or Mumbai? Punjab or Mumbai? To stay.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ
Punjab.
Okay, last. One girl in the audience you have a crush on when you see, oh yeah, ये कुड़ी cute लग रही है.
अभी अभी किसी ने एंटर करा है
मैं
In a healthy
सच्ची
way,
दसां,
in a healthy
मैं-
way, in a healthy way.
मैं सच्ची दसां ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟਾਈਮ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਵੱਲ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ.
खड़े होके देख लो एक बारी. You can't take Isha's name for sure. So everyone has a crush on her.
ਚਲਾ ਚੰਗੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਲਈ ਰੱਖ ਲਈ.
Yeah, one girl in the audience you think you can have a crush on.
They're all pretty faces. Yeah.
एक
Chandigarh
बारी,
has beautiful women. Yeah.
Only one girl. In a
बड़ी
healthy way,
गेड़ियां
in a
लंदन
good
में
way.
आते हैं.
No, ऐसा कुछ वो नहीं है. He's already married, yeah. नहीं मैं वो तो फिर मैं दसांगा ना भाजी. Anyone?
हाँ जी ਕਿਸੇ
Any
ਨੂੰ ਵੀ
two?
ਬੁਲਾ ਲਓ ਜੀ
Any
ਅੱਖਾਂ
three?
ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾ ਲਓ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸੋਹਣੀਆਂ ਨੇ.
Okay, then I think on that note, please get up for Isha Gupta. Whoa!
And I would also like to invite Vijender to give a token of appreciation to Jimmy sir. A small token of appreciation, please. और लड़कियों ने कहा ना कि हमारी आंखों का तो इलाज हो गया, अब लड़के कह रहे हमारी आंखों का क्या? So for boys we have Isha Gupta. Can we have some music as well? And I would like to request Vijender to please give a small token of appreciation to Jimmy sir.
Isha is supposed to give it to them? Okay, Vijender is supposed to give both of them.
गुरु दक्षिणा दे रहे हैं विजेंद्र.
Yeah, all of it together.
थोड़ा सा छोटा मोटा स्टेप भी हो जाए तो मजा आ जाए यार.
Okay, you know what?
थोड़ा सा स्टेप्स हो जाए.
Just a second. We'll have another song
पंजाब आए
here.
थे पंगड़ा नहीं कीता.
You've seen Isha and Imran Khan dancing together on a song. धत तेरे की मैं धत तेरे की मैं धत तेरे की मैं घर नहीं जाना. That is what you're gonna say at the end of the event. यही बोलना धत तेरे की मैं घर नहीं जाना. Can you have that song? I want all three of them to jive with it. Here you go. Come on, Jimmy Baji. Come on, Isha. Virendra Baji. Okay, Isha wants a couple of people from the audience to join in. Okay, these two girls and the polka dot. Yeah. Come on, everyone. Down tonight. Here telephone से मम्मी डैडी से कमे हो से मैं नहीं जाना धत तेरे की मैं घर नहीं जाना. Jimmy Baji, come on. तेरे की मैं धत तेरे की मैं धत तेरे की मैं घर नहीं जाना. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Jimmy. Thank you so much, Virendra Baji. Thank you so much.